The true end of Diego Maradona's career did not come in 1991 when he was first suspended for drug use. It started gradually after the 1990 World Cup in Italy. Maradona left the tournament in bitterness and he made two powerful enemies: the Italian fans who never forgave him for eliminating their national team in Naples, and FIFA President João Havelange, whom Maradona felt was standing against him. When he was handed an 18-month ban, many believed his legend had reached its final chapter. After that, Argentina found itself struggling in the 1994 World Cup qualifiers, while the United States was preparing to host the tournament for the first time and searching for a major star who could attract an audience unfamiliar with football. There was no name bigger than Maradona. High-level negotiations began when Henry Kissinger demanded that FIFA bring Maradona in, saying, "We want Maradona." End of discussion. At that time, Maradona was suffering from significant weight gain, but Argentine FA President Julio Grondona promised to restore him, leading to what later became known as the Deal, an extreme weight loss program involving intense training, a strict diet, and the use of banned substances such as ephedrine, in exchange for an unspoken promise from FIFA that Maradona would not undergo a doping test. Maradona committed fully. He traveled to Cuba, trained intensely, and returned to the 1994 World Cup with a perfect physique and impressive performance. He led Argentina with great force and scored a spectacular goal against Greece. But behind the scenes, the story goes that a secret FIFA meeting concluded that Maradona had become too good, and that he might lead Argentina to win the tournament, something that did not align with certain agendas. They decided to break their promise. After the match against Nigeria, a nurse walked onto the pitch and took Maradona by the hand for testing. He believed it was just a formality, but the result came back positive for several banned substances, and he was immediately expelled from the tournament. Maradona later appeared before the press in tears, not just because he had been expelled, but because he felt betrayed and deceived, saying, "They cut off my legs. They betrayed me." That moment marked the true end of his career. He never returned to his former level, and Argentina faltered without him, leaving behind the story of a deal that ended with the tears of a legend who will never be replaced.